This is actually the first time we have ever seen concrete evidence of photochemistry, chemical reactions initiated by energetic stellar light on exoplanets. We can actually now explain the origin of sulfur dioxide in Wasp-39b's atmosphere. I see this as a really promising outlook for advancing our understanding of exoplanet atmospheres with this mission, said one of the astrophysicists on the mission. Earth-like Bocaprins certainly is not Bocaprins, is an odd planet. It orbits very close to its host star and appears to be tidally locked as the moon is to Earth, so has one super hot side and one super cold. But it's actually 8 times closer than Mercury is to our Sun, although it's about 1.3 times greater in diameter than Jupiter. We observed that the exoplanet with several instruments, and it showed a cover of a broad infrared spectrum and a panoply of chemical fingerprints in excess of